Welcome back to Create Craft Costume, where we think crafting or creating is as close to magic as we're going to get. And today is all about that Christmas magic because we are going to take things like this, and we are going to turn them into some really classy, vintage, thrifted gifts for our friends, coworkers, and neighbors. So now let's start this episode of Let's Thrift That Gift.
We can all agree that inflation sucks, right? But just because my dollar doesn't go as far doesn't mean that my love of gifting disappeared. So, this video is a culmination of a year's worth of thrift trips trying to find something that is both culturally acceptable as well as fits within my budget. And that is when I discovered the glass aisle. Guys, let me tell you why this aisle has completely stolen my heart. I understand why people get nervous about thrifting fabric, but glass only needs to be cleaned. In fact, if it's dented, just leave it behind. There should be no scratch, dents, or any type of repair or painting needed with these vessels. Second, the designs of vintage glass are amazing. If you can even find something like this in stores, you would pay out the nose for it. But that actually leads me to my next point. I was able to find all of these vessels for such an affordable price. Now, some thrift stores were more expensive than others, but even this tiered tray was only $4. Most of the vessels that I picked up were $5 and under, with the vast majority actually being a dollar, $2, or 3. Now, there was a time where I would have just gone straight to Dollar Tree and not bothered with this, but since Dollar Tree has raised the price of their kitchen and glassware to either $1.50 or $1.75, I got most of these pieces that are much more unique and much higher quality for sometimes the same price. With that being said, they did come in the clutch, and I found these really cool Christmas tree shaped bowls. These are actually based off of an old Mikasa pattern. However, I could only find 6 of them. Plus, if you're not able to find them, again, the thrift store aisle can help you out. Still haven't convinced you yet? Here's what that tier tray looks like after coming out of the dishwasher. So sparkly. Once you have all your containers cleaned and compiled, it's time to make another decision. These are the perfect vessels to add homemade treats into. However, I did not have that time this year, so I decided to continue shopping. I cannot be the only one who sees all of the holiday treats coming out and think, I just want to try it. I don't want the whole package, I just want a bite. Well, that was definitely the driving thought behind purchasing the items that are now filling my container. I took a bite, and then I'm giving the rest as gifts. This was actually the other reason that I was not afraid of the vintage glassware with dividers in it. That just means that I can share multiple treats with people and they don't have to be individually wrapped. And speaking of wrapping, that is the next step to make this look professional as well as make this easier to transport. It also happens to be the most fun. A couple years ago, I found these shrink wrap wrapping pouches on Amazon. They will actually be linked in the storefront down below. That is an affiliate link. But because they came with 100, I will be able to use these for years. And I'm going to take the container and I'll slip it into the back corner to make it fit as cozy as possible. Then I'm going to tie the top with a bow, and you activate this using a heat gun. So satisfying. And this makes sure that all of the items inside the container cannot move. Pro tip, don't forget to turn the vessel over and shrink wrap the underside so that your items are extra secure. You can also alter the placement of the gathers and the ribbon based on the shape of your container. So if it was a more bowl shape, I actually gathered everything at the top. I also purposely purchased pouches that I knew would probably be bigger than I needed because it is always easier to cut something down than it is to make something bigger. This one absolutely turned out to be my favorite because it looks just like a bell. If I ever find more of these plates in the wild, I will pick them up every single time because I only got to give this to one person and I want everyone to feel my joy. But once everything is packaged and wrapped, Dollar Tree did come in for the save with their adhesive tags. I put one on the outside of every single package and then they are ready to be gifted. I gave these to all of my coworkers and neighbors this year, and I'm very confident that no one else will show up with the same thing. What do you think about these? Would you do this for your friends and neighbors? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Also, you may have noticed some additional vintage wear that you did not see be used in this video. That is because I will be using those for a project that is coming up right after Christmas. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more magical content. See you in the new year and our next video.